Okay. So we're here in the Volkswagen Passat with Ganymed Stanek from Volkswagen ERL, the Electronics Research Lab, and I'm not going to drive the car.
Yes, the car will completely drive itself on this course. We at the Electronics Research Lab equipped it with all the necessary electronics to steer the car itself, to accelerate, to decelerate, and even to shift gears.
So let's talk and not drive at the same time.
All right. So, are you ready, David?
I'm ready.
So,
All three, please.
Get it started. Oh,
Look, Mom, no hands.
can you press the brake real quick to shift gears?
Uh-huh.
That's a safety feature. We are now in drive.
Okay.
We go into autonomous mode, and you can release the brake. And you see the steering wheel is turning.
And so why does Volkswagen do this with Stanford? You've done it, in 2005 you did it with the Volkswagen Touareg.
Exactly, yes.
And you won.
Yes,
And now you've got the Volkswagen Passat.
correct. Our real goal is to improve safety for our customers. And we know that our customers really enjoy driving our cars. So why driving autonomous? With partnering with Stanford University, we have the chance to do research at the forefront of technology. And if we think autonomous driving is actually nothing else than an ultimate driver assistance system. And by bringing driver assistance systems into future cars, we'll gain exactly that. We'll make the car safer, and we'll make it more enjoyable for our customers to drive.
Now, Ganymed, back in 2005 you did do Stanley with the Volkswagen Touareg. Now we have the Volkswagen Passat. Why the difference? Why don't you just have the Touareg again?
We chose the Touareg because it was an off-road environment, where the Touareg is ideally suited for.
Because we were in Las Vegas, Nevada desert.
In the desert, exactly. Yes. And this time we are in an urban environment, so it allowed us to take the Passat. And it's also technically very well suited for making it computer controllable.
What do you mean?
It has already electric power steering. This means that it comes equipped from stock with a motor at the steering wheel that can turn the steering wheel. It also has an electric gear shifter, meaning we can send it computer commands to shift gears without actually having to move the gear shift lever. And it has an electric parking brake, so we don't need to build complicated mechanics to pull the parking brake. You can just activate the switch.
Now, Stanford is not the only group that ERL, the Electronics Research Lab, works with. You work with a number of groups all over the United States, all over the world.
In the area of autonomous driving, we exclusively work with Stanford at the moment, but we partner with many companies in many different fields.
And is it a lot with universities, or is it more companies?
It's both. We do have relations to UC San Diego in a project about driver awareness. We do partner with UC Berkeley in actually some more business marketing related field, and we do partner with a number of companies as well.
Now, are you looking at only partnering with Stanford in the DARPA race again?
Yes, in the DARPA race we are exclusively partnering with Stanford. There will be other teams having Volkswagen Passats, because I mentioned it's a very well suited car to make it computer controllable, so a number of independent teams have chosen the Passat, but they're not directly related to the Electronics Research Lab here in Palo Alto.
Well, we'll see what happens this year at the finals in November.
Good stuff.
Ganymed Stanek, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.